so I'm already on live on YouTube, Jerry.
You sure you don't want to pee?
Okay. Yeah. Oh, where did I? How did I say? Jerry, we'll fix that. Okay, are you going to have enough time to do this?
Do what?
This drawing that you're going to do. Huh?
Yeah. My drawings don't take like 40 minutes.
Okay.
Because that only takes 6 minutes
Oh, okay. All right.
to do this.
So, guys, as I said, I promised the nephew. Wait.
Why are you doing it from an up view?
Oh,
That won't look right.
like this?
Yeah, I think that's good.
Where's my other phone? Oh, it's over here.
Someone's messaging you. Come on.
Yeah?
Alright, so should I start?
Wait, let me do it live on the other one. Hey.
Hey, what's up?
Guys, so my nephew wanted to go live drawing. So, that's what I'm doing.
Alright, so guys, let me show you.
Wait, let me just do live on my TikTok also.
So how long is this gonna be for?
It's a drawing, right? Not sketch, right?
It's the actual drawing.
It's a, okay, alright. Give me 1 second, guys. Just bear with me 1 second. I'm setting up the different cameras, angles. Yeah? Yeah.
You hear that, Jerry?
He knows.
What?
You hear follows mommy on TikTok?
Hmm?
You hear who follows mommy
Yeah.
on TikTok? Your mom.
Yeah, I know. She's it's sort of watching.
So if you see someone says no make joins the live.
Okay, Jerry. So I have it from this angle.
Yeah, one time she actually did it. One time my mom actually joined the live.
Yeah.
Oh, like,
Alright.
hi, mommy.
Let me see if I can make. So I have it. That one. This one is perfect from TikTok.
So, anybody ready?
Yes. So let me see how we are over here. Hey guys, how old is my nephew? Oh, no. All right. So let's go on this one. So this one is the main one over there. I'm trying to see if I can.
I'm not even in here.
Oh. All right, choose you wanna be. But if I get you in it like that, guess what?
What?
It doesn't show the drawing so much.
Yes, it does sort of die. You see?
Why does it look so blurred up here?
Oh, I don't know.
Wait. Maybe that's not a good angle.
It still looks blurry.
For some reason it looks blurred. Okay, let me. Maybe it's oh, this may be some filter when I was touching it.
Yes, it's a filter. I was thinking it was a
Hey Naggy, what's up?